Geeta, all of this is so interesting. I have never used a computer before. Can you show me how to set up and work on a computer?
Definitely, Uncle. I will explain everything to you. First, let me introduce you to the various parts of the computer. This is the monitor. It is like a TV and is used to display the output on the screen. This is the system unit box. It contains a central processing unit or CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. These are the keyboard and the mouse. They both are input devices by which we enter data into the computer. To connect the computer, first place the computer on a desk. Then, set the system unit next to the monitor. Look at the rear portion of the system unit. It has all the connection slots for connecting various devices. Now, this is how you can connect the monitor to the system unit. The video port of the system unit is called VGA port. Connect one end of the VGA cable to the video port in the system unit and the other end to the monitor. A keyboard comes with either of these two types of connectors, PS2 connector or USB connector. To connect the keyboard to the system unit, plug the provided connector to the port in the system unit. A computer mouse comes with three different models of connectors: PS2 connector, USB connector, or serial connector. To connect the mouse, just insert the connector provided to the appropriate port in the system unit. Similarly, if you wish to connect a printer to the computer, just insert the provided connector, which may be of one of these two types, parallel port or USB port, to the system unit.
Thank you, Geeta. Now, how should we connect the computer to the mains electric board?
Simple. A desktop computer comes with two power supply cables. First, plug one power supply cable in the power supply plug in the system unit and plug the other cable to the power supply port in the monitor. After that, plug both the cables to the power plugs in a switchboard or the UPS provided. You can now use the computer.
Can you show us how to switch on the computer?
Sure, just follow these steps to switch on the computer. First, switch on the power supply of both the system unit and the monitor. Then, press the power button of the system unit and then switch on the monitor by pressing its power button. Now, wait for some moment. Look, the display is appearing on the monitor. This is the boot screen. Slowly, you can see that all the software are loaded. Now the computer is ready to use.
Thank you, Geeta. For the first time I have seen a computer and have now also learnt how to switch it on.
Yes, thanks Didi for telling us all about the computer. Now can you also teach me more about mobile phones and tablets?
Sure, Rohan. I will show you how to operate a mobile phone or a tablet.
Hey, even I want to learn about these devices.
Okay, let's take a look at various components, functions and applications of mobile phones and tablets.